Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Constant Hawk Gaming. My name is Hawk, but you can call me Rob. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channels. It really helps me a lot. So let's get going here. Gotta get the water tank, so we're almost there for getting the water tank. But first, these guys are probably hungry. So let's give them the plorts. We give them the food they need. They give us the plorts we need. Okay. So there we go. We got all the carrots. I'm training the slimes where to eat, you know. The food corner is right over there, so if they poop out... Oh, they eat everything. Okay, so they can eat hens too. So that's why they're... Okay, I gotta turn down the volume here, sorry. I don't want it to make an echo, so... I'm not wearing my headset, so... For right now. Let's see how they are today. What are they today? They went down 5. Okay, but we got our, where Plord's monies for the water vac adds a specialization vac tank that allows you to store fresh water. A blast of fresh water will calm any slime for a short while. It dissolves those terrible tar slimes. Watered garden, okay. Also grow faster. Of course they do. Okay, now what's next? We want this for 425. A scare slime is a stuffed tar slime model designed to keep wandering slimes away from your crop. Simple but terrifying. Okay, that's 400. So let's go and get some more wild plorts. And I also need more health and everything, but that's coming. One thing at a time, guys. If you want a 100%, you gotta have patience. And that is one thing sometimes my OCD gives me, is patience. But also my anxiety also gives me, well, anxiety. It doesn't give me patience. I started gaming for a reason, guys. I started gaming, for one, it calmed me down as a kid and as a preteen and as a teen. It calmed me down, meaning I wasn't a bad kid. Let's just say that. I wasn't a bad kid. Okay? Oh, I got a rock slime. I can't do anything with the rock slime yet, but I got a rock plort. And I was socially, awkward because I was in special classes, and when I was growing up, maybe today is a little bit different, but when I was growing up, they didn't like to mingle with the differently abled kids. So my story is, when I was growing up, I was getting bullied. Okay? I was getting bullied. And not just like, your typical haha, putting something in your drink kind of prank. No, I was getting hit by snowballs with rocks in them. I was getting, chased after, called a liar because I brought a game into school when I said it was mine, and people thought I was renting it. These people that pecked on me thought, saying, you can rent it and just bring it to school. Why would I do that? It's not mine to bring to school. So, when that happened, I resorted to my room and to my, at the time, NES. And I loved gaming ever since that. Well, the first time I ever gamed was in the 1980s. I'm 40-something years old, guys. In the 80s. And my first system was the first Nintendo, which you can buy now in the stores as Nintendo Classic, NES Classic. And it has some of the games I love on it. But my first two games were the original Super Mario Brothers, not to be confused with Mario Brothers, and was it Ghosts and Goblins or Ghouls and Ghosts? I think it was Ghosts and Goblins was the other game. I get those two confused all the time. Okay, so now we're gonna buy this upgrade for this farm, and that's done. This carrot farm is now done. Now we're gonna move on to getting a farm set up for, what is it? Where is the pedia? Slimepedia. Okay. Slimes, resources, pogo fruit. We're gonna get a farm for pogo fruit, and the crop garden is 250. Okay, so these guys are not eating. And what time is it? Ooh, it's 14. We gotta sleep for the day, but first we got an email. And that email is from Mochi Miles. No subject. Well, it seems like another wannabe rancher has signed up for a lonely existence on a faraway space rock. Congrats, Beatrix. I'm Mochi Miles. That's Miles, as in Tatsuya Miles, the billionaire. I'm here to do important business for my dad, but that doesn't mean I won't make all the rest of these backwater types out here look bad in the process. No one conjures the plort market like I do, day in and day out. My dad gives me the inside track So look forward to my requesting plorts that I know will make me huge profits later on. So I wish you the best of luck, Beatrix. Maybe you'll even reach second place. And at the very least, you can tell your friends that you helped out the great Mochi Miles in her conquest for the far, far range. Later, Tater. Mochi Miles, top rancher. Well, we got a conceited person now in this game. Well, okay. So we got our water can. We got our carrots all done. Now we gotta work on our, what is it, our pen, our hen, yeah, our coop. Sorry, guys. Wait for them to eat so we can get the plorts and see how much we need for this. And right now we need 350 for higher walls. Okay, so slimes can't get in. And let's see what she needs. Oh, here's Mochi Miles. I need those plorts post haste. Whatever that means. Well, we can't get that. We don't have the rock yet. Ah, great. Okay. One step at a time, guys. One step at a time. You guys ate all your food already. Wow. Up, it's still stagnant at 5. Well, we made 200 and we need 250? Let's check that out. I think we need 250. No, 350. Okay, 350. I don't know why I thought it was 250. Hey, stop eating all the... Don't eat all the... Yeah, I need some of that for the... Oh, wait a minute. We gotta make another farm first. All your plorts are rolling around here. Messy, 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 messy. Yeah, because I need another food source unless they're so when their carrots run out for the day, I can feed them something else and they can keep making plorts. Oh, sorry guys, my eye is a little itchy. Oh, sorry. Okay. And this channel is dedicated to my mom who passed away from lung cancer in June of this year. She encouraged me to do this, but I was always afraid to talk and, stuff like that. Ooh, what's this? Gift. Ooh, what do we have here? this? A painted ornament. I don't know what that does, but... yeah, for right now, we gotta get another farm going. We gotta get everything bought. And then expand and venture forth. Okay, we want to sell the plorts first. What does this do? Oh, we'll just leave it there then, I guess. Okay. There we go. Now we can make another garden, and we're gonna throw in this one. Oh, cool. There we go. Now let's get some more carrots for these hungry fellers. Now we're gonna have to get more health for when we get the bigger, tougher slimes, because those rock slimes can ram the crap out of you. Sorry guys, I'm just drinking some cherry Coke. And plus I got new glasses, so my eyes are still getting used to them and watering and everything. Okay, so we got a tree growing. We got the next one we have to do is our hen or a coop over here, because we're gonna need to have a constant supply of chicken sometimes, because some just eat meat and some eat vegetables and some eat everything. Okay. Ooh, look at all this food, guys. Look at all this food. Got carrots, and now you got fruit. It's like slime Weight Watchers in here. You're gonna have a field day with these. Get going, guys. Make those poops. Because that's what plorts are. Poops. Remember, never venture out into night yet. Not unless you're ready. You guys eating anymore? Or no? Let's get going over here and suck up all these plorts. Suck up everything. And I gotta come back for them. And here we go. There we go. Now we got 30 plorts. And let's see what... Ooh, they're up 6. Okay. And that will give me the high walls, wouldn't it? No, 350. Ah, dang it. Maybe they would have got hungry when I come back and, you know. And plus I can plop more food into their never filling stomachs. Let's just say that. They keep eating and eating and eating. It's like, another one I got. Okay, I got that one already. And I gotta go down to the other spot too. There we go, we got 8 carrots. Plorts are healthy. Look at me, I'm like a slime zoologist or something. That's a slimeologist, right? Not really zoology. Well, it can be, it's an animal. So anything we're doing with animals, it's a zoo, so. Zoology, so. Okay, 11 plorts. Okay. That's what we do every day, guys. We do this. And we expand and we grow. Just like a frog. Expand and grow. Why do I suck them all up and throw them away? It's like a cleaning day. Let's just think about it like that. You save what you want and you throw out all the garbage. So, here we go. And just chuck it in the water. Got 23 plorts out of that, 15 carrots, and 2 pogo fruit. And they get a free vacation from, courtesy of 7Z Corporation. Okay. Got like an hour before we sleep at night. Okay, 15 carrots, 2 pogo fruit. Are they hungry? Yes, they are. And we have to, okay, come back for the plorts, because we can only hold so many now. Even when we have spaces empty, we can't hold any more than 30 plorts, or 30 anything for right now. Okay. So let's get over here. Okay, that gives us 500. But we want bigger walls for her hens. Okay, so the next one we will get is, what is it? Oh, we got mail, okay. So the next one we want is right here. That will give us, we want dash boots. These highly advanced and frankly fashion forward boots Reduce the energy consumption for sprinting. Okay, what is the sprint? Okay. That is the energy consumption of sprinting. Okay. Oh good, and it comes back. Okay. So we have to go read our mail. Oh, it's Bob. Hello, Bob. Hello, 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 chickens. Hello, chickens, chicken. Okay, so Bob wants chicken. I mean, the chickens. We get the boots, and then we get this first upgrade for this second the club, the E. At a time, guys. Okay, that's 7 plorts. Oh, not 7 plorts. 30 plorts. And what are we now? Ah, we're 6 again. Okay. So that gives us about, what is it, 350? Oh, we got more plorts here. Yeah, so we can get this. We can get no, we can get the jetpack. Okay, the jetpack. I forgot it's 352. Also, not 352. It's just like what I do out there, guys. It's cleaning. Put the food in first. And then go and put the slimes back in. Yes, there's automatic feeders and then port collectors and stuff like that in this game. It's a very good game. I love it. Okay, let's go get the jetpack. Jetpack. Keep your head in the clouds, not clowns, clouds, with this amazing personal jetpack. Okay. See, we got a jetpack. Okay. Now we can fly instead of walk. And there we go. Remember what we do now is we collect fruit, vegetables, plorts, and anything like that. These guys are having a field day with this stuff here. Okay, I don't need that anyway, so. Okay, let's send these guys to a permanent vacation. There we go. 7 plorts so far. We always gotta wait before we get stuff, guys. Before we go exploring and opening up new things and stuff like that. You gotta be prepared. I like planning. It's part of who I am. Some people don't like that. I had a friend that when we used to go to the movies, he would wait about 10 minutes or so before the movie started to pick me up. And that really ticked me off. Who waits 10 minutes to go to the movies? I'm usually there about a half an hour before. Or sometimes more. Because that's who I am. That's how I'm made. We're all wired differently, guys. Every single one of us. And some people do not understand that. Well, a lot of people don't understand that. That we're wired differently and think differently than they do, and people don't like when people think differently than them. Okay. Got 25 plorts. We can't pick any more plorts up yet. We can only pick up 5 more plorts. But let's get the carrots in here. Get the pogo fruits in here. And go sell our plorts. And what is it? Still 6? Okay. And what's the next one we gotta do? Oh, we gotta get the 350 for the nutrients. Okay, now let's go in here. Remember, it's about time till we sleep till morning. 1 more day should do it for right now. And let's get our stuff together here. Let's go and get our stuff together. See, we got a lot more carrots here to throw in here. Oh, we can do that with... We can just stay in here and just plop up the plorts. Okay, we can't do that yet. Okay. We gotta sell the plorts before we can... We got 30 carrots. Wow. Okay, and now we gotta pick up these fruits and take them off the tree. You can't say these slimes don't get fed. Okay, because now they're getting 30 pogo fruits. Now let's fly over here and see how they are. Oh, there's still 6, okay. Okay, let's go and get this. Oh, we gotta get more carrots. Well, jeez. Okay, 16 carrots, and now let's go over here. Oh, we got another couple more pogo fruit. Okay, and we gotta go over here and get nutrient soil. And then what we do now is we work up what is it, 1,000 for the next upgrade for the ranch, which is and here we go. We picked it all up. Look at that. Daily cleaning, guys. Daily cleaning. Look at all this food. It's like a buffet for them. I think 13 is the magic number for these slimes. Oh, we almost got 1,000. Not almost. We're only 200 in. But the way they make plorts and stuff like that, it's gonna be... It's not gonna take us long to get the plorts that we need. I'll take it, but I don't want it. Poof. Just leave it right there. Yeah, we got 8 plorts from this area. You can't say these guys aren't fed. These guys grow back. I mean, yeah, grow back. So I have no quims casting them off into the sunset. And I got a whole coop of chicky boos anyway, so yeah, as soon as this area gets cleaned, then we go out and go back to our farm, because it's gonna be nighttime, and I gotta get these plorts, but I can't do it with these tabby cats. We gotta get those big tabbies too. Sorry about that, my nose is a little congested, guys. A little stuffy today, I don't know why. Well, I do at the hospital, and I had to go into like a clinic to pick up my let's put 4 more in here. Okay. And I had to go into a clinic to pick up my records. I don't know why. Coughing. So yeah. Okay, guys. Let me sleep till the morning and see if we have another email. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Constant Hawk. You can call me Rob. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. It helps me out a lot, and I will see you soon. Bye.